Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure canonical tags in WordPress for duplicate content, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure canonical tags in WordPress for duplicate content, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page or post where you want to set the canonical tag. If you're using the classic editor, locate the custom fields section. If it's not visible, enable it by clicking on screen options in the upper right corner. Once you see the custom fields option, click on enter new and type _links. Set the value of this field to the URL of the original content you want to refer to. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO. After activation, scroll down to the SEO settings section on your post editor. Look for the option labeled Canonical URL or Advanced. Enter the URL of the original content in the designated field. Ensure that the URL you input is the most authoritative version of the content. For pages with similar content, repeat this process individually for each page. If you have multiple posts with duplicate content, consider organizing them under a single category or tag to establish relevance. Once you've added the canonical tag, click Update or Publish to save your changes. To verify that the canonical tag has been properly set, you can use a tool like Google's URL inspection tool. Enter your URL to see if the canonical tag appears as expected. It's also a good practice to check for canonical tags regularly, especially after updating or modifying content. Regularly audit your site for duplicate content to identify potential issues. By maintaining a clear structure with canonical tags, you'll help search engines understand the correct version of your content. This will improve your SEO and reduce the risk of penalties for duplicate content. With these steps, you can effectively configure canonical tags in WordPress and manage duplicate content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.